This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by April Blankenship. Welcome to this exquisite 5-bedroom sanctuary with master on the main along with laundry and second bedroom nestled in a tranquil cul-de-sac, offering an unparalleled blend of luxury, comfort, and community living. Be greeted by an abundance of natural through the gorgeous stained glass front doors that allow light to drench the open concept spaces, enhanced by a recent paint refresh. The newly installed gleaming white oak hardwood floors with matching hardwood staircase add elegance and continuity throughout the home. The main floor is thoughtfully designed for convenience, featuring both the primary bedroom with a spectacular walk-in closet equipped with custom organization and a guest room, or office, playroom or craft room, with adjacent full bathroom, ensuring easy access and privacy. Culinary enthusiasts will delight in the kitchen's large pantry, custom, open shelving, stainless farmhouse sink, quartz countertops and smart appliances, including a gas range, complemented by a full outdoor kitchen with concrete countertops, bar seating, gas grill, sink, beverage refrigerator, and fan/lights under a stunning pergola for alfresco dining. Enjoy the serene atmosphere of the screened-in porch, an ideal spot for year-round relaxation, complete with wiring for an outdoor TV to enjoy sporting events with neighbors and friends. The large living room has a gorgeous fireplace with a new tile hearth and mantle. The upstairs offers 3 oversized bedrooms, a large bonus room with a huge closet and a full bathroom. Beyond the interior, this home offers a partially climate-controlled, insulated and enclosed walk-in crawl space with concrete flooring, providing ample storage and utility. Recent updates within the last 4 years include new kitchen features, white oak hardwood floors on the main level and staircase, updated bathrooms with new lighting, vanities, and sinks, 2 smart HVAC systems, custom cabinetry in all bedroom closets, custom bamboo shades for main level windows, new interior doors, baseboards, and crown molding. Exterior upgrades include new fencing, sidewalks on both sides of the house leading to the backyard, and an extra-wide driveway leading to a 2-car garage. The neighborhood itself is a haven of amenities, offering picturesque walks along the pond, fishing, 2 swimming pools, a clubhouse for social gatherings, multiple picnic areas for family outings, and a park for recreation. This property is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. Embrace the perfect balance of modern living, natural beauty, and community spirit in this exceptional residence. Schedule your private tour today and discover a home that truly has it all. Home appraised higher than the current list price in May. For more information, review the details below or contact April Blankenship at 865-966-1111.